Hello Barbie lovers and beyond, and welcome back to my channel. This is Marina the 90s Barbie, and in this channel we do tons of amazing stuff related to Barbie, so of course don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Now in today's very festive video, we're going to be doing something really interesting because I have with me one of my favorite dolls to have ever existed, and this is none other than Angel Princess Barbie. This 1996 super nostalgic, super pastel queen. Now, I'm fortunate enough to have this doll both new in box and out of the box in great condition, but I also thrifted this beauty like a while back. And she's not in the best shape possible because she was also sitting as an ornament in my 90s Barbie Christmas tree. This was before I started using my standard ballerinas for this role of the ornament on my trees. And so as you can imagine, she has accumulated like a lot of dust, the hair is pretty matted, and she's just in need of a good general TLC, which we're going to be giving her today because, like I said, Angel Princess Barbie is one of my favorite Barbies. And she's so perfect for the holiday season, don't you agree? As you can see right at the back, we have decked the halls a little bit, and we're ready to give this girl the makeover and restoration she rightfully deserves. Also recently, someone in the comments suggested that I should do a holiday lookbook, and so I'm thinking that after making over this beauty, we can try some amazing festive outfits for her. And you know what? This is gonna be a bit of a challenge for me because if you've been following this channel for a while, you'll know that like traditionally Christmassy and holiday colors like reds or blues or greens, like it isn't like 100% my aesthetic, obviously, because you know I'm here for the pinks, the pastels, the sparkles. So this makeover and lookbook will be my version of some holiday fabulousness, but always in pink, pastel, and princessy tones and vibes. So I'm really excited to get started. This girl has been on my to fix box for quite some time, and I'm so excited to be giving her all the love that she deserves. So without any further ado, let's get right into it.
To the salon!
So this is her, we're ready to begin. But before I start with the standard shampooing, washing, conditioning, and of course ball washing and hairstyling, I want to give her the treatment I gave to my last makeover, Barbie Star, the last restoration. So I'm going to be giving her the precautionary mold treatment because I can see some signs of dirt at her legs, and here you can see a better look. I don't believe it's anything to worry about, but because she is an older thrifted doll, I will be taking that measure now that I know of this treatment just as a precaution, just to be sure there's no mold or anything on her, which I don't think there is because she doesn't smell musty or anything, but I feel like I'll be doing it in all my vintage dolls just as an extra precautionary step, just to be sure, you know, better safe than sorry. So let's get on with it by dipping her legs into white vinegar for at least an hour. So, our girl just finished her mold treatment and she's all rinsed and ready to go in and take her bath, and then of course her makeover and restoration. As always, we're going to start with a good washing and shampooing in my favorite antibacterial soap and shampoo mix. Then it's gonna be time for conditioning, and of course we're gonna finish up with some hairstyling magic and a boil wash. Are you ready? Let's get started! Okay, so it is the last step of this hairstyling, and we're going to be curling her bangs with my favorite straw method. And of course, if you've been watching this channel for a while, you're very familiar with it. However, if you're new, I will be having the video where I show this more thoroughly in the screen. Let's go. Okay, so our gorgeous girl is ready. She looks fabulous and I am so excited. Her hair turned out amazing. Look at that. It's so smooth and soft. It looks so beautiful. I am literally amazed. This is so soft and so beautiful. Obviously kanekalon hair. Granted, in this area right here, you can see that her hair is actually a little bit fried. Unfortunately, that couldn't be fixed because it happens to older dolls sometimes after they're being played with too hard, but don't exactly end up like weird Barbie, you know? Sometimes this happens. However, she still looks so much different than before, and I think the result turned out beautiful. Wow. I also love her bangs. Look at that. Restored to perfection. I am obsessed. And now, as you can see, she's in her wonderful pink robe. And I think it is high time we visit the dream closet right there and try some amazing uber pastel holiday inspired outfits. Let's do this. Oh my, wow. I am obsessed with her. I am obsessed with the looks. I'm obsessed with the vibes. Wow. Just wow. See, these are my kind of holiday vibes. You know, this I can get behind too. I'm so happy I sort of created a modern version of her, and now we have her with her classic sisters, one in box and one out, and the whole trio is just Holy Trinity indeed. So let's get into the outfit deets. Now for the first look, I used the Fashion Avenue fashion pack. I will have the name on the screen if I find it because I don't remember it now. However, what I must tell you is that I was searching and looking actively for this specific garment forever. This like little coat with the faux fur and the pastel blue. It's the pink version of Winter Dazzle Barbie, who's one of my favorite Barbies of all time. So yeah, I was searching everywhere for it for years and I finally found it, and I am so happy. Now for the second look, we have this fashion pack right here. Unfortunately, I do not know the name, but I know that it's from 2002. So yeah, this little gown moment, we kind of created sort of a pink gala collection, but like 90s or early 2000s, like if the gala collection pink premiere had come out in the 90s. That is the vibe. So yeah, I love that as well. But of course, my favorite has to be this beautiful one. She is wearing, of course, Barbie Extra number 2's outfit, and I'm so obsessed. Barbie Extra number 2 is literally one of my favorite Barbie extras of all time. And of course, I'm obsessed with this dress. I'm so happy I got seconds because, like, wow, this dress has to be worn by many dolls because it's
Fabulous.
and of course, her little pink wings to make her a modern version of the classic Angel Princess Barbie, one of my favorite dolls of all time. Now, I found those pink wings among other Christmas ornaments online, so I dare you, check out your boxes, check out your ornaments. If you find something that's a bit, you know, winged shape, you can use it for Barbie. Look at how pretty this turned out. I am so excited. I love her so much. And I do hope you all love this little holiday pink pastel lookbook. This is what holiday dreams are made of. And she's definitely a holiday angel. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite look. I love this one a little more, but I loved all of them. However, I want to hear your thoughts and opinions, so let me know down below in the comments. And of course, if you do want to see more photos of these fabulous gals and my Barbie life and shenanigans, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Instagram right here. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new one. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, do all the things you love. Enjoy your dolls. Have the best, most magical, and most angelic holiday season ever. And of course, keep a positive attitude because it really does change everything. Peace!